All right, everyone, it is day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Again, I'm going to announce this one, but day 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this one will be announced. The winners will all be announced on the 22nd or 23rd. So if you haven't seen those other videos, you can go back, check those out, and enter for your chance to win. But today's giveaway is from none other than BuffBrite and their For Real system. This is the absolute best way that I've found to get pet hair out of vehicles. It makes it so much easier. So what you get is the For Real Pro. This is the whole attachment, so you can attach it onto your vacuum. You also get an additional one that you can just replace and keep moving along with those, because the thing that's so great about these is the texture of this. It's soft, so it grabs the hair really, really well. But when you use it repeatedly, it does start to wear down. So they're giving you a secondary one also. You also get an adapter. You get their hammerhead system as well, which is just a nice bit for large areas to be able to pull across and gather all the hair. Awesome. And then you also get, I can't remember what they call this, but their crevice tool, which is insanely long and flexible. Along with that, also including the BuffBrite flamethrower. This is the awesome attachment that you can just clip onto your polisher, so you have all the light you need right there as you're polishing. Fantastic system there. Really, really cool. Thank you so much to BuffBrite. I appreciate everything you guys do. I think they're really cool. Like, some of the most innovative products within the detailing industry. He's always coming out with new, really cool stuff and updates to it. So awesome giveaway there. And I'm also going to include the new DTLR Supply Co hats. These are awesome. I love them. It's kind of deconstructed, so you have the backing there, but you can see it's kind of a softer finish. Really cool. These aren't up on my site yet, but I will have them up later today or tomorrow or something like that. So if you're interested, you can go get one of these as well. Now guys, if you're concerned about not winning this, but you do want these items, because they are, I'm telling you, they're great. He set up a code. I think it's 33% off with code JoshV on their site. I'll link that stuff down in the description for you guys, so you can go over there and get that. They also make this, just want to highlight this really quickly, the BuffBrite skinz. So what this is, this fits a Rupes HLR 15 and 21, but he has them for many different polishers. So it's a custom thing. It's actually a design, I'll link it down in the description, but it's basically, you can send in your designs, or he'll help design it or whatever else, and make a nice custom one. As you can see, this one's from my website, dtlrsupply.com. Really cool. I think those are normally about $39.99. He mentioned that those are going to be on sale till Christmas Eve, I believe, to $29.99. So that 33% off is not going to work on those, but obviously it's because it's already discounted heavily. But that's it for today's video, guys. Again, make sure to be subscribed to the YouTube channel, like, comment, and share this video, and then go over to my Instagram for an additional chance to win. Subscribe over there, like, comment, and share on that post also, and that'll do it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.